Throttle. Throttle which controls basically the static. This is drum type throttle. Drum type control of throttle. Okay. Okay. First of all, I will explain you different parts. Okay. This is its inlet side and this is the exhaust side. Okay. Air enters from this side. First and this is single barrel carburetor. This is its venturi portion. This is venturi portion. Okay. Inside this you see this barrel. This barrel is basically your controlling the supply of air. Okay. More you push the accelerator, more air will come. Its passage will be open. Okay. This is for connection for choke. Okay. This connection is attached inside to a valve. When we push the choke, valve opening will be more. More valve opening will allow more fuel to enter into the body, and we will in this way we will get rich mixture which we actually require.
From where fuel is coming?
Fuel enters into this fuel sump from this side. Fuel enters from this side into this sump. In this sump, the same we have seen in the four-stroke side. There are floats and all mechanism is same. From this, more the velocity of air, less will be pressure air, more fuel will be enter into this and mix up with the air and goes out. Okay, and from this point, the wire of accelerator which we insert, yes, we insert air, and then we will when we push the accelerator, this more into.
And at the same time, this choke will allow more fuel to come.
Yes. And this is a needle for setting the basically opening of your main jet. Main jet of the fuel, which actually sucking the fuel from this chamber. More you push it, it will just this like of opening. More needle will be more inserted into the hole, so it will stop the passage. So less fuel will sucked up by the. So we can set it. We can set the location of this inside the hole. So in this way we will control it.
But we use this choke only for the start of the
yes,
engine.
Yes.
After that, we don't use this.
No.
So that we can regulate the amount of fuel by this.
Yes, we can regulate. This is for, you can say, slow speed and high speed. Okay. For different speeds we can set it.